Today we're talking about the new date fields you'll see when publishing a delayed listing in AdEdit. A delayed listing is when you have a fully signed listing agreement, but the property won't be ready to publish on the MLS within 48 hours. To make this process clearer, we've added the following fields at the start of the listing entry. The field that used to be called listing date is now called contract effective date, and two new fields have been introduced: start marketing date and start marketing date document. Here's how it works. If the contract effective date you enter is more than 2 days old, the system automatically recognizes the listing as delayed, and these two new fields will appear. The start marketing date is the day you will begin publicly marketing the property. This should match the date on the delayed listing/start marketing addendum. On that start marketing date, you must update the listing to active or coming soon. Start marketing date document asks you to identify where that date comes from, either the listing agreement or a delayed listing/start marketing addendum. Be sure to select the correct option from the drop-down below. If you choose the addendum, you must also upload that document as a private document before the listing can be published. If the listing agreement itself already includes the start marketing date, no extra upload is needed. You can always hover over the question mark icons next to each field for additional information. For delayed listings, days on market starts on the start marketing date, not the effective date. For example, if the contract is effective November 30th and marketing starts December 17th, days on market begins accruing on December 17th. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you need additional assistance, please contact SmartMLS support at 203-750-6000 or email us at support@smartmls.com.